2 3 phones. I'm back again with another video. So I got some orders that I need to be done and that need to be shipped. So I thought it was a great idea for you guys to see what a day in the life sort of is, for me when I gotta pack these orders and record all the profits and put everything in the spreadsheets and of course pack it up. So let's get straight to it. You guys will see what takes a couple hours of my day every time I gotta pack these orders. So I got 9 orders in total and I already have 9 of these envelopes, and right here is where I have my packaging supplies. So let's get straight to it, you feel me? I'm gonna get these orders done. So the first order, well, before I do anything, let me get these orders in front of me so I don't have to keep walking over. But right now it is 12:44 and let me see what the SKUs are on these and let me get these pulled. Refresh this. And let's go over here where I keep my phones. Sorry if it's a little bit dark. It's type late and the lighting in my room is not the best, but we got 1416. Where's 1416? 1416. 1416. Put this over here. 1407. 1407. Where's 1407? 1407. I don't know why it's over here. 1407. 1465. 1485. 1412. 1403. 1470. 1470. 1339. Or is it 1339? And 1405, which is this one right here. So in total I got 9 phones that need to be shipped out. Let's start off with 1405 since that is the first one I got. So what I do, I pull up the spreadsheet over here. All right, and I find the right number, which you guys probably won't be able to see, but 1405 right here. Then I mark it just so I don't get lost because the colors be throwing you off. So 1405, the first thing I do, go over here and put payment details to see how much I made from it, get the net, put it into the right column over here on the spreadsheet. And then let's ship it out. Let's put the weight, and this one is going to be 397. So after that, can't show you guys the label of course, but I got my printer over here, so it's gonna print it out. And let's go to the calculator app on my PC, put the number that we got after fees, subtract that by the cost of the shipping label, and then subtract that by the total cost that we paid for the phone. So as you can see right here, we made $17.78. So now let's put that into the profit pile, and then that is done. And now let's just pack this phone up and let's go. So I normally just rub around it 3 times, sometimes 2 depending on the condition of the phone, but that should do good because the envelopes as well are padded, so you should keep the phone safe. Now let's seal this up, and I can't show you guys the label. But we just put it straight on to here, right? So that is done. And that's how the labels look, and that one is ready to go for shipment. Right now, just throw it to the floor, get that one done, and then we move on to the next one. So that's pretty much the process, and you guys will see what it will look like at the end. But let me show you guys a quick time lapse of how long it takes me. Right now 12:50, and let's see what time I will finish. It's currently 1:13. I finished a couple minutes ago, but I just was tidying up. But here are all the packages. It was 9 packages, took about 20 minutes. Now imagine how it is when you have 20-30 packages. You know what I'm saying? It take a couple hours, especially if you're going a little bit slower or whatever, because you have to enter all of these spreadsheets. All these phones, you gotta make sure everything is accurate. But yeah, man, that was a quick little video, a POV life of a phone reseller, right? So it was a quick little video just to show you guys. It's not even the whole process, you feel me? If I showed you guys how it was when I list the videos, when I list the phones, it will be longer. That takes more time, of course, than just packaging and entering the numbers, of course. But yeah, man, it's been 2 or 3 phones. That was a quick little video for y'all. If you got any questions, like, comment, all that, you feel me, just let me know. And I gotta go to sleep because it is late at night. So you guys have a good night or day, wherever you are. Take care.